Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Sifu game on your PC. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can highlight clues and hints within your gameplay to make it easier to find clues. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Sifu game on your PC, and before you begin your game, from the main menu, go ahead and click on Options. Within the Options page, make sure that you are inside the Gameplay menu, and now at the very end, you will find the Hide Clue VFX option. If this option is checked and set to yes, then this will not highlight any clue that you are supposed to interact with within the game, and as a result, you might miss important details and miss various different side quests and collectibles. So make sure that this is set to no and that the box is not checked. Once this is done, press the backspace button and then save your changes if you are prompted to do so. After this, you can go ahead and start your game, and now the clues and hints will be highlighted so that it is much easier to spot and collect them. And if you want a more difficult experience or a realistic approach, then you can try setting this to yes to increase the difficulty level a little bit. And there you have it. That is how you can highlight important clues and collectibles within the Sifu game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.